Okay, so Dennis, could you just give me a rundown on your history in dairy farming and where you've worked and what you've done in your experience so far?
I am Dennis Dangaran. I graduate of agriculture, major in animal science. Gained dairy training and management course at Philippine Carabao Center, Busuan, Bukidnon, Philippines. And worked as a general farm worker for 2 years at Tanaw Condition Incorporated Dairy Farm. Then I was a general farm worker also at Almaray Company Horticulture Department for 2 years.
Okay, so at Almarai, did you do any time in the milking parlour or just the horticulture?
For the Almaray services and horticulture, but I have a local experience for 2 years at dairy farming here in the Philippines.
Okay, that's good. So can you tell me about your milking procedure in the Philippines and detection of mastitis?
Okay, sir. First, the cow, we put the cows, the cages near the milking parlor, and then one by one put inside. Then we first thing and do sanitation. First we sanitize and disinfect, clean the teeth every cluster and then sanitize, and then after that milking, we disinfect every cluster of teeth, the nipples. So we sanitize every before and after of milking, and then we put concentrate for their supplementary feeding.
Okay, good. And tell me about the detection of mastitis.
We did the most common mastitis test. We test the cow, what we call the California mastitis test. They're a plastic with four-wheel paddle, and then each cluster of milk, we get a letter in each cluster and each cluster of paddle. Put so little, and then we use iodized for putting that letter milk, and then if the pictures and change, or the color and change, will be a big positive for mastitis. And then we put that, we separate that other cages, and then we apply organic or inorganic treatment. For organic treatment, we apply oil, olive oil or aloe vera, and what we call the inorganic treatment, we apply antibiotics like Presu. So that's all that.
Okay, and other than the paddle test, what would tell you in signs of the cow's udder and the colour and texture of the milk that a cow has mastitis?
You see if the udder hard, if that's very hard, then the cow feel pain, and the udder is very ready, so that's very positive for mastitis.
And what about the milk?
The milk, if the color will fade or the texture will be changed into thickness, sticky, that will be the positive.
Okay,
that
good.
is the positive sign.
Okay, and can you tell me about your experience in assisting with birthing difficulties if a cow is giving birth?
Yes, sir. If the cow we see it's suffering for the frustration, we apply oxytocin for hormones, and then we 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 helping we help the we we grab the trolley in order to have to the in order the cow make very safety.
Okay. And what about the calves once they're born? Have you got experience in feeding calves?
The calves born first we do wipe the nostril and then put some iodine in the navel.
Good. And what do you feed them?
We feed first the colostrum milk.
Oh, good. Okay, and so what about heat detection? Do you know some signs a cow shows when she is coming into heat, ready for artificial insemination?
Sir, when the cow is giving estrus, signs are increased feed intake, mucus discharge, swelling and reddening of vulva. It's estrus bleeding or it is estrus bleeding. Some cows or heifers, some cows, mostly of the heifers, experience that. Then sniping or leaking vulva to the other cow.
Huh?
Leaking cows to the other vulva, animal's vulva. Then mounting other cows.
Good.
Then the last one is very important, the standing head.
Okay, good. What about machinery operation? Do you have experience driving tractors and motorbike or ATV?
Sir, during my experience there in Saudi Arabia, mostly in terms of hauling materials, we use tractor for harvesting, for spraying, for planting.
Okay, good. What about motorbike and ATV?
Yes, sir. ATV, I experienced that during my local experience here. And then for motor, mostly of our transportation here in the Philippines, in my province, is motorcycle.
Good. Okay, that covers off most of what I need, Dennis. So, do you have a wife or children?
I have a wife, sir, but no children. No children.
Okay. And you have a valid passport?
Yes, sir, I have.
And you're immediately available for a job in New Zealand?
Yes, I am immediately available and ready.
Good. Alright. Thank you for your time today, Dennis. That covers off everything.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for the time.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.